It's your watermelon. Wonderful view.
Ready? Yeah. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, guys. Meeting I'm back here with my boo, and I'm back here with my best friend, the annoying one. Just kidding. I love her. She be here because of me, y'all. She don't be here because she just is annoying. I want her with me. Okay, so today we're gonna be eating food, talking mess. I'm gonna show them how I get dirty south. Okay, so we got the crawfish, which I really don't eat, but I'm gonna stick to the sausage and the crab, snow crabs. Okay, but does it look good to you?
Oh, like this part could disappear, but this, mine is the sausage.
Are you gonna feed me?
I got you.
Okay.
Wait, are you gonna eat this?
No, she's gonna
Okay,
She's
okay.
She's gonna eat it. Okay, there. You can do that one. I don't even want that.
No, I'm gonna teach y'all. Okay.
Okay, teach me.
Damn.
First, you gotta open it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Juicy.
You said juicy?
Wait.
and I don't even want this. It looked dusty.
Girl, shut up. Everybody grab theirs.
Yo, it got.
Yes, it has legs.
No, wait, that's not how you do it.
For real?
Grab the tail, twist the tail
It
off.
has eyeballs.
Okay,
Twist
so
the tail off. Yep.
Oh my
Alright.
God.
Yeah, you twist your tail off.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Look at
Wait,
the
I heard
butt.
that
Look at the
crawfish,
booty.
they have it poop in it.
Yeah, did they clean it out?
I'm about to show you how to clean it. Alright, so you
It's not already cleaned up.
Listen, yes, that part, but I'm telling you how to eat this properly. Wait. You take that out the tail.
How I do that?
You want to pop it like this in the middle.
See, y'all, when you hungry, you don't want to be doing all of this. I just want to go ahead and just eat. Hold on.
Relax. Follow
Why you like that?
Boom. Now yours is out.
Okay.
Get out of my face. She's the annoying
She
one.
be eating like
Here,
that?
so, wait. So this part right here, you're gonna pull it back
my drink, baby. Move.
in the middle. Pull it back.
My drink.
Boom.
Y'all can go ahead.
This part in the middle?
Right here. Yeah.
And low-key look good right there.
Pull it back.
Man.
Yep.
Alright, is that
Boom. Yep.
I'm gonna feed you.
Now with your sauce. Wait a minute.
You don't need no sauce.
Yes, he does. Move. Give him his tail back that he worked hard for.
What
That
do
you
you
didn't
need
work
the
hard
sauce
for.
for?
Now, boom. You're gonna dip it right here, and that's splat. That's the splat.
No.
And then
It's
boom.
smack?
It's just butter from the bag. It's not that splat.
So does it taste like shrimp?
Eat it. No,
You want
I
to
gotta
feed him?
I was gonna feed you!
Oh, okay. Feed me. Ready?
Okay, ready?
It's cold as hell.
Is it good?
It's good, but it takes too much time to get that undone.
All right.
Right.
Now, since you didn't get to try it here, now with your claw, you're gonna bite right in the middle of it.
I got a bite in the middle?
Suck that juice up.
Suck it, baby.
Yeah.
Suck it out. Okay. I don't want that. I'm going right.
So Nate just had his very first. Well, no, he didn't eat it. He fed it to Yasmin, so that doesn't count. Oh,
It's a drink.
This right here is that splat. This is that Martell secret drink from Prospect Park.
It's good?
One sip of it is.
It's good.
Put some hair on your mama booty.
Yeah, no. Do you like hair? Do you like hairy butts, or do you like it shaved all the way?
Probably shaved.
Like,
Grow
I've
up.
never really seen a hairy butt before.
I mean,
so I don't, like,
I'm not hairy butt, but like,
no.
do you? You gonna have to. I mean, you got to figure it out because you know you're messing with
A Puerto Rican.
A Puerto Rican, they
It
hairy.
might be hairy, baby.
What, you hairy?
You gonna be able to tame it?
Wolverine.
Gotta
That's
tame
the
the lion.
nickname.
No, I can handle it.
Ooh, look at this meat right here.
It's not that juicy.
Wait, that's a crab?
It's kind of spicy.
Oh my god.
Look at the eyeballs.
Talk
You
to
gonna
it.
eat it?
Hey,
Give it a kiss.
baby.
You
Wanna kiss Nate?
No, I want to kiss you.
Ooh.
My lips is spicy right now.
They don't care.
We're talking about
Exactly.
crabs.
There you know.
We're talking about crabs this whole time. Nate finally got his crabs, y'all. After all this
Finally.
time. It took us about 4 times before we got crabs.
All right, show them how to do your crawfish one more time.
I don't know how to do it.
Boom.
We want crabs. We
tail.
don't want that. We want the crabs.
Wait,
Okay, we finna.
was that sausage good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I like to peel my sausage open to see
You
what's
said deer
inside.
sausage?
Yeah. So good.
Venison. It's the venison.
Deer sausage.
Even though I never have ever. Who's gonna go first? How you play again? We're doing 5 fingers. So if you've done it, you gotta
Take a drink. You gotta take a
my
sip of
breast
your drink.
coming up.
Yeah. Well, I can't even.
Can't
I
do
can't
it.
help you.
Damn. Okay, you're gonna go first with the never. Who wants to go first? I don't know.
I'm gonna go first.
Never. Go ahead.
No, you can go.
No,
Actually,
but
But what do you
no.
do if you did it though? You gotta take a little shot.
Yeah, you gotta take a little shot.
I'm gonna just take shots in general. So.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh.
Never. You good?
I ain't eating all day, baby.
For real? Damn. You should have got some breakfast. Well, no, you was waiting for this.
Yeah, I wanted to be able to eat it all. Okay, so never ever.
Never have I ever been to Puerto Rico.
I've been.
Went for our birthday.
Went for my birthday for like a week. It was fun. That was fun. 21st birthday.
I already knew I had you.
That's before I knew you, so you had to be stalking me before that.
No, I just was.
Because you're Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican.
Duh.
It is common sense. What the hell?
You go first.
She
You go second. Because I don't know one right now.
All right. Never have I ever.
Damn.
Shit's spicy. Let me get one for you.
Never have I ever gotten a tattoo.
Never got that. Do you have any tattoos?
Nope.
So drink, baby.
You don't have a tattattoo either?
He's gonna get my.
Oh, y'all were clean and
Does that
holy
mean
and
I gotta drink
sanctified.
every day?
You gotta drink. So will you think you'll get my name tatted?
No, baby. You can't put a Bentley sticker. I mean, a sticker on a Bentley, honey.
Tell her.
A bumper sticker on a Bentley.
Tell her.
X. Okay.
In my car.
Never have I ever been arrested, been to jail.
I'm a gangster.
Been arrested.
You gotta tell him,
But I never popped none.
You gotta. Okay, I wanna know what both of y'all did. What did you do?
Shit. Am I allowed to talk about? I can't talk
Yeah, I
about.
can't talk
I
that. You
can't
can't be
talk about
talking about that. Well, who are
It's
you?
old. It's
No,
old
it's
not.
news.
No, it's not old.
It's recent.
You can't talk about it.
Yeah, you
You
can't
must.
talk about it.
I could probably guess what you did.
No, you can't.
Probably like robbed a bank.
Hell no. I don't need to.
Like too much
He
money.
said he is the
He
bank.
said he is the bank. Okay. Shit spicy. Okay, go Nate. Wait, how many do you? I have 2.
No, you just drink because we're eating.
We're just gonna eat and drink. My
Yeah.
dress is gonna slowly come up.
Hey, what's a good one? Never have I ever.
It can be nasty. You don't gotta keep trying to be wholesome for the camera. Like, you know.
No, I was gonna say something spicy.
We know you
but-
want to be
But
nasty.
I'm
That's your
gonna
turn.
lose if I say it. You feel
Oh,
me?
he's nasty. I get all the DMs.
And you would believe in them, huh?
I don't believe him, but I just,
Never have I ever picked up a girl on the side of the road and took her home.
you know, he did. Go there, prank. He definitely has.
What you drinking your drink for?
No, because I'm
Oh,
thirsty.
you did.
I'm thirsty. I'm
Oh, shit.
thirsty.
Mm-hmm.
So how many times do you pick up gold diggers per week?
I stopped after.
Yeah, after me, you're stopping. I'm tired of seeing them dusty videos.
So I can't.
I think we can delete them.
You want me to delete them?
Yeah, they can go bye-bye.
For real?
Say in the comments if y'all want Nate to
Alright,
delete.
alright. I'm gonna delete them. No, I'm gonna delete one.
Yeah, delete one.
I'm gonna delete one for every kiss I get. You feel me? How
Come
about that?
on.
A little tongue.
That shit might be hot right now. You don't want this mouth. Never have I ever.
Crabs is good.
Think I have done that. I'm trying to think of something. I don't know. Y'all
No, let
just
me
go.
go.
You go again.
Never have I ever cheated.
I don't know.
Cheated on the test.
I've cheated before, but I feel like you cheat when you're not being treated right. I wouldn't be cheating if you was doing what you're supposed to be doing.
For real?
So
That's how it be.
if you do something, best believe.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
I have one.
Pet a tiger.
Pet a tiger?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I never have, but I want to. After I watched Tiger King, I kind of want to. I did it, but I still want to drink.
I think you're Carol Baskin in real life.
You know
Hey
what
y'all,
that is?
you cool kittens and cats.
She buried her husband. I mean, she killed her husband, but she won't admit it.
I think what y'all think happened? I think that she let the tigers eat her husband.
That's what I would do.
It's on Netflix. You should watch it. It's very
It's
entertaining.
good?
It's
Yeah.
good. It's a whole series. The
Yeah.
guy's actually in jail now. Okay. This is the question everybody always asks me, which I want to go ahead and clear that up. Okay. Never have I ever. Is it good? gotten any surgery done. Like, nope, my boobs are real. Like, everything on me is natural. So, did you want to ask me that? Do you want to
tell them, baby.
Yes, nothing on me is fake, okay? Everything is from my mom and my daddy. Is all, you know, if you could touch them, they're like,
good shit.
They're good shit. Yeah. So, have you guys got any work done or anything?
Never.
Nope.
Never.
Okay. No fake hairline, no.
Fake hairline. My hair grow back so fast, it's crazy.
You got that good hair.
I need a haircut like every 2 days.
You got your curls. I see you be having a barber hair every 2 days.
Yeah, because I gotta stay fresh for me.
Trying to see if you got that Tory Lanez.
Huh? How you gonna do my homie like that?
Who's your favorite like mute artist?
Oh, Tory.
Yeah, he played Tory all day. You got to put some music on Tory.
That's my boy.
His music is fire.
For Tory.
He be acting up on live though.
Nah, his life be lit.
Quarantine.
You know what's crazy? People be telling me when I'm on live.
You want some? Eat it. Take it from the head.
The
He wants to take it to the head, baby.
Alright, so I be on Instagram live, right? Oh my gosh.
Jasmine trying to kill him.
And people be like,
Call me Carol.
add yes, you feel me?
I do be wanting to get added to your live, but I be like, the way I be looking, be disrespectful. Here go Mulan be like, you look cute, just get on there. I'll be like,
I be telling her to get on there.
Now you be looking good, but I don't know.
No, we be looking like we just woke up.
we would look like the devil.
Yeah.
Braids, crusty lips.
I look like Meek Mills yesterday.
I was looking like, who was I looking like?
Carol Baskin.
No, that's not a good comparison. I was looking like Dora the Explorer. Ooh, are you enjoying your crawfish?
You was looking like wifey.
Yeah. She looking like Penny Proud.
No, I'm like Veronica, baby.
Veronica.
I told you he's sticky. No, you say he's sticky. No, he's Oscar the daddy.
Yeah, and I'm Luciana Boulevard.
No, you Dejanay. She's definitely Dejanay.
Your mama Dejanay, honey.
My mama is Penny Proud's mama.
You crack the crawfish for me?
Crack one for you? I don't know if I'm gonna do it right.
My lips are tingling.
It's spicy.
Okay, tell me how to do it for him.
Okay, twist the booty. Twist the tail booty.
Oh, you gotta twist the booty?
Yep, twist it.
Are you good at that?
No, I'm good at smacking the booty.
Grab the tail booty.
Oh.
Why would you? Oh my God, that's the meat.
All right.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Yasmin, I'm gonna show you one time. Boom, we're gonna grab this one right here.
Okay, let me do it with you.
Twist it counterclockwise. Boom.
So this right here, counterclockwise?
Yep. Boom. There you go.
Oh.
You see, got a little duty. It's all right. Wait.
Damn,
Oh!
hell no.
Wait. You're gonna get all that out of there.
Oh,
Grab on gloves.
Baby, I'm cool. I do not want to eat that. That's
You can
duty.
know yourself.
There's shit in it.
Yasmin,
Nah, we good.
you know how much food you eat with shit in it?
I don't know Dookie bread.
What food do I eat with doodle in it?
Them chicken nuggets you tried to eat last night.
You definitely want to
Those
know.
had dookie in them. No, I didn't.
No.
All right. So boom, I cleaned it off. It's pretty now.
Okay, it's pretty. Go ahead and enjoy.
Boom.
Mm.
I'm gonna dip
Crab
that
got
hole in that
dookie.
splat.
You like eating dookie?
The crab doesn't have Dookie.
What's your favorite like food?
Brazilian. I like steak a lot. That's why.
Give me a kiss. Psych.
Oh!
You're working for.
I
You
swear I
was
had it
close.
right
You
there. I
was
swear I had it right
You're
there.
getting like closer to closer.
My boy be
you
staying
put back
ready.
on me like that?
He be ready too. You ready? Even with my breath like this?
I don't smoke. It smokes good.
No, baby. What's that noise?
Your computer?
For
My
real?
computer's not working.
Nah.
Damn, tragic.
Are you gonna be able to fix it?
I'm gonna try.
Never have I ever. I did a lot of stuff, y'all, so I don't even know. You have one?
Shit, I did it. Never mind. You can go ahead.
No, you go. Since it's that.
I did it before, so it's
What is it? You can just say it. It's okay.
never have I ever ran outside with no clothes on.
I definitely did that on the
Outside?
Yeah.
I've ran through a hotel lobby with no clothes on. Like, but nobody was down
I
there.
mean, it's outside your room, so.
Yeah, outside your room. You know when you done there at different parties and stuff.
We gotta do truth or dare y'all one day.
I'm with it.
But I feel like y'all not really with it with truth or dare. I feel like y'all be like y'all wouldn't do it.
I feel like you not with it. You be chicken.
I'm not chicken.
You not chicken?
Cause your first dare gonna be
Wait, you
truth
said-
or dare. I'm gonna say dare. Give Dare a kiss.
I was just about to say that right now. Shit.
Listen, I don't know who you been kissing. I gotta see. Who you been kissing?
I haven't been kissing
Who you
anyone.
think you been kissing? He just recently did a gold digger prank like 2 days ago.
Yeah, but I
No,
didn't
you
kiss
didn't.
This
her.
was his thumbnail with his hands on her ass. Like
You was
Damn,
jealous?
why you putting me on?
I'm not. It's not on blast. They seen the video.
Wait, so you jealous?
I'm not jealous. I want you to do you.
Oh, you jealous.
You
She jealous. I see it in your face. Why you lying?
You have crawfish on your
Can you film
nose.
it for me? Nah, never mind.
Are you enjoying this crawfish?
I'm enjoying the fact that
Who's cleaning it up?
you're jealous.
This is. Are you? She enjoying it?
I'm gonna let Fonzie clean it.
Make a rap about crawfish.
The sausage actually isn't that bad though. It's
Crawfish,
pretty good.
crawfish, crawfish. Yeah, you smell like.
But like
crawfish.
usually when we eat spicy stuff, you be farting.
I mean, like, I'm nervous after this. After this, I definitely gotta leave because I'm like, my stomach might get to just rumbling.
Oh damn.
That girl nasty.
But if you smell something, y'all, it's definitely her.
This girl, no ma'am. This girl be coming in my room every morning and farting. All right.
That's what you be doing?
Yes. Yes.
You gonna lie to them like
She be
that?
like, guess what?
That's funny to you, huh?
She told me she was pregnant and farted twice and said, there go your twins. Like, you just nasty as fuck.
No, listen, y'all. It's all with the life. She farts too, but listen, farts that are loud are like don't stink, but those farts that are silent be deadly.
Right.
Yours is both.
No, they're
Yes,
not.
it is. Yes, it is.
What
That
do you-
girl try to act like, baby, that girl is nasty.
When I was little, the teacher used to walk by and I would fart and I would blame it on her. Kids be like, what's that smell? I'm like, Miss, you.
Are you lactose?
Yeah.
At this point, I don't know. I don't be, she's lying. I don't be
She
farting.
farts after everything.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah.
After this, maybe.
This girl fart after
This
a
is
popsicle.
this is a lot of seasonings.
Yeah, and it's spicy.
Yeah, I'm full. Like full.
Real?
I feel
You
like
barely
I'm full.
ate.
I ate a lot.
She cheated. She
Okay,
ate
before this, I had mac and
Michigan.
cheese and I had a brisket. Her daddy brought me some.
You mean your granddaddy?
That's not my granddaddy. Hell no.
That is.
Nah, he need to get Miss Paula a ring first. So you guys are the worst in ever. Who won?
I mean, I drank the least amount, so.
Okay, we're gonna end this off and so you can finish the drink the fastest.
Wait,
Relax.
let me
Trying to
finish
get
this
people brain
crab.
freezing.
No, Nate ain't even close to where I'm at though.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
No, with this, I'm talking about like level wise.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Mm.
I'm out having a little party in there.
Watch this.
Ready? Get to my level first, and then we're gonna race. Are you alcoholic?
Mm-mm.
You're alcoholic.
This has alcohol in it?
You can't
Yeah.
taste it. It's a
Really?
little drip.
What
a
you
little
thought it was?
splash.
It was orange juice.
No, I said Martell. Make sure y'all
Shout
go
out
and
to
get
Prospect Park if you're in Houston, Texas. Y'all make sure you come and get your crawfish. Even during the coronavirus, they have everything you need. Curbside, baby girl, baby boy.
that. Big shout out to Junior Martin, the
Shout
mayor.
Good plug.
If your kids they keep going to the refrigerator in the pantry,
Yep.
take their butt to Prospect
Prospect
Park.
Park.
Okay.
Black owned, man. That support.
That's a lot of crawfish.
That's a lot. She said this is for one person.
Nah,
This is not for one person.
it's for the family. We about to start one?
Are you gonna be able to race me? No.
Yeah,
Oh, he's tearing it up. Let me get.
We getting busy.
Good. The loser has to clean this up with their drink.
well, that's easy money.
Never have I ever.
What?
Never
That's
have
for
I
the girl.
ever.
She has.
What?
Next.
No.
Okay, next.
You just ready to drink, huh?
Never have I ever had a threesome.
You a lie.
Never.
All your little gold diggers. You have? You just drank. Why? How you gonna say you didn't do it and then you just
You
drank?
can do that.
Right.
I'm about to eat them out first. Never have I ever had a period.
I don't get it.
Bruh.
We get periods.
Yeah, so he's gonna get
Oh, so
out.
you gotta get.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get him out. Okay.
That's what I said. Never ever wore makeup.
Yep. You makeup. He be wearing a little mascara. I be seeing his lashes popping and stuff. You got a
I did
little.
a wearing makeup challenge before.
I know you did it with your girlfriend, didn't you?
Yeah, with my ex.
You
like,
did.
Like 2 years ago.
That girl be getting jealous.
Did you beat her face?
No, she did mine.
Hey.
What do you call it? Never have I ever.
Are you gonna beat my face?
Yeah, I got you.
I want the contour, the cut crease.
I don't even know what that is.
You gonna find out, baby. You better Google.
Nah, you gonna teach me. Never have I ever taken birth control.
Ooh. Just got out the house.
I want a baby though.
For real?
She do.
You
But
know,
I think
for
it's
real?
important to get married first before I have a kid because I'm not trying to raise my kids myself.
Shit.
You know?
I don't want no kids right now. I want a kid right at 30. Feel like that's a great age.
30.
Yeah.
I wanna be a
That's
young
what age
dad.
her boyfriend had him and he was raised really well.
Yeah, he was.
I want to be a baddie though. As a mom, I want to be 30 years old. As a,
You're not gonna sit down.
I'm still gonna sit down. My kid can come with me. What age do you want kids?
Probably 2 years.
Probably how many kids you got? You probably got some you don't even know about.
You plenty. Shit, I might.
What you do?
You trying to babysit?
What would you name your kid?
Babysit. Yeah, well, if you had a boy, what would you name it? If you had a girl, what would you name it? Not it, but.
You know what's the name that I like? Hermes.
Hermes. That sounds very powerful. It's like a Greek lord, right?
No name is Hermes, right?
No, I don't.
That was Nipsey's real name.
Oh, Hermes. Oh, yeah. That name is very powerful.
It is.
What about a girl? Don't say nothing ghetto. Because if your son is Hermes, your daughter.
If I had a daughter, her name would be Yasmin.
So I'm your daughter now?
Nah, Yasmin Jr.
Yasmin Jr.
I don't like that.
That's cute.
Okay,
I've never heard of a mom named their child after them.
Facts.
Okay, I don't know if y'all gonna like this name, but I want to name my daughter Milani. M-I-L.
That's my friend's name. My friend hates when people steal her name.
I love Milani. Milani Lopez.
Milani?
And when I have kids, the kid is getting my last name, not the dad's.
Nah,
What?
Nah, that's a good choice.
That girl said
Like,
I
Lopez is an easy name to like
It's
pronounce.
easy, yeah.
My
for
shit
sure.
hard to tell.
What is it?
Buko, it's like French.
Oh,
Buko.
you international, papi. Oh.
Perfect match.
Is it like how in New Orleans when you say buku?
Buku? Buku?
No idea.
Are,
never
is
even
it
heard that
spicy?
before.
You sweating?
Never
You
heard
never
of
It's
it?
spicy.
Nobody
No.
say, damn, this buku hot.
Oh yeah, I heard that before.
I've
actually.
never heard of that before in
Yeah,
my life.
Buku just means a lot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's your two names? I don't know a son name, to be honest. Oh, y'all, this is a good one. See all this?
I don't know. I know when I was young, my name was supposed to be Kennedy. That's what my name was supposed to be. My mom was so tired, she let my granny name me.
For real?
Well,
Yeah, she said she pushed for 27
my name
hours.
is gonna be some. You wanna know what my dad wanted to name me? Lark.
Yeah.
I told you that
Named
before.
your ass a
Oh,
Narc, 'cause your
shit.
ass is the 5-0.
He wanted to name me Lark. I think it was like a supermodel that he really liked. I never heard of her, but yeah. So you wanted your name was gonna be Kennedy. Then what's your boy name? I thought your son gonna be like Joseph
I don't know.
or DeAndre.
I don't know. I kind of like moon, sun, star. I like stuff like that. Like, I don't know. Something with the earth.
I like
And I want my
Mark
name to be powerful.
for sure. Are we gonna do a challenge for our last? Who can finish this, or you don't want to do it? You scared?
I could finish it.
Are you the same length as me? Dang, I beat y'all.
And my nose is running.
What about
Alright,
dreams?
we're gonna
Shit's so
finish it up.
spicy.
What? Dream?
Yeah.
I like that.
Dream is cute. That's like Black China's.
Their daughter is so beautiful.
She is. Ready? Are you Mark?
You said
Wait, I'm not even. Let me.
You good? No,
Nah.
we have the same.
No,
y'all the same. So
Y'all the same.
y'all going. I'm
Ready?
just ready, set, go.
Brain freeze.
What the hell? This thing got a big mouth. Swallow. I can't do it.
I lost.
I can't lose though.
Go, 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 go. Push it to the limit. Go, 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 go.
Brain freeze.
Go, inhale.
Ooh. Nate.
Damn.
G. Williker. Okay.
Fiddlesticks.
But who's at the least? Stop. You can't be doing. You're doing too much. Oh, we're really close, actually. We'll save them for later.
Yeah. That drink was bomb.
So I think that I'm gonna be ready to like let some air out of my stomach, y'all. For sure. This was a lot of gas. Are you ready?
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Kiana gonna come over here and tear this thing up.
She gonna have leftovers. Our friend's coming over in a minute, and she's gonna like finish this off sloppy seconds.
All right.
You guys enjoy your food though? You guys enjoyed it?
It was
You
bomb.
enjoyed it? It's a good date for us. This was like a.
Woo.
It didn't. It's cool.
It was like a our what date? Second, third?
Not third, baby. Moving too fast. We had one date. One day. One day. The car. No, make sure you watch his video of him calling me the B word because I don't tolerate disrespect. So he definitely got smacked. Okay.
You smacked me?
I did smack you.
Mm.
Yes, I'm not. You don't disrespect me ever in your life. Like I don't think that's a funny prank. To be honest, it's not funny. No, why you still laughing?
Leave me on was it funny?
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And yeah, my friend JMULAN is starting a new channel, so I'm gonna have her YouTube down below. It's gonna be called Third Wheel. And then y'all know my boo.
Why this girl wanna play it all the time? It's gonna be called I'm gonna pop a cap in her ass. That's what it's gonna be called. Obviously.
It's gonna start coming, baby. Bye.